Markets are full of noise, but sometimes the chart doesn't lie. While everyone's distracted by Bitcoin's next move, 3 altcoins have quietly flipped the script, and the setups are too clean to ignore. One is climbing out of a brutal 75% drawdown. Another is now securing billions in real value across multiple chains. And the third? It just redefined what a decentralized exchange can be. We're talking ApeCoin, Pyth Network, and Velodrome. 3 tokens backed by real narratives, confirmed breakouts, and unusually strong momentum. This isn't hopium. We'll break it down with weekly charts, critical price levels, and key news catalysts you haven't seen on the surface. Stick around, because the levels we reveal today may define your next big win. Ape has been dragged through the mud for over a year, but something just changed. The weekly chart is clear, the downtrend is broken. Ape cracked its long-standing descending trendline and has reclaimed momentum for the first time in months. From its base at 35 cents, the price pushed through resistance and now hovers just under the 236 Fibonacci level at 77 cents. If the breakout holds, we're looking at targets of $1.25, $1.77, and even $3.30 at the 1618 extension. The Fibonacci RSI indicator confirms the shift, flashing a bullish crossover not seen since September 2024. And check the VRVP. A volume gap between 75 cents and $1.15 could make this move violent. Now let's anchor this with real activity. ApeCoin just launched NFT staking rewards on ApeChain. This isn't speculation, it's actual staking mechanics. The migration guide is out, and users are bridging funds fast. That's organic by pressure, not hype. If that demand continues to grow, and this chart structure holds, Ape could double before resistance even kicks in. It's still volatile, but structurally, this is the healthiest Ape has looked in over a year. Next up is Pyth, the price feed protocol that just pulled off a monster reversal, and you probably missed it. On the weekly chart, Pyth completed a textbook trendline breakout. After bottoming near 10 cents, it's now pushing through the 20 cents zone and targeting the critical 236 retracement at 35 cents. What's next? 50 cents, 76 cents, and a full extension toward $1.80. Volume is climbing. Fibonacci RSI is curling bullish. The trend line is in the rearview mirror. But the real catalyst is trust, and Pyth just earned plenty. April numbers are insane. $67 billion in traded volume facilitated. $15 billion in total value secured. 17 new integrations. 1 new bank on board. 1 new blockchain added. One of those banks? Sygnum, a regulated Swiss digital asset institution. Pyth also onboard Revolut, bringing real-time finance data on-chain. That's massive. With strong adoption on Aptos, Solana, and Sui, it's now dominating price feeds across ecosystems, securing over 90% market share in some. This isn't a small DeFi tool anymore. Pyth is shaping up to be the first institutional-grade oracle for the multi-chain world. The market is just starting to wake up, but the chart already told us. Before we hit the final token, quick question. Are you still trying to time pumps? Or are you ready to build a real crypto income machine? If the second one sounds like your goal, check out my ebook, DeFi Financial Freedom, the Ultimate Beginner's Guide. It breaks down exactly how I find staking plays, yield farms, and passive strategies that work, even in sideways markets. No fluff, no theory, just tactics. You'll find the link right in the pinned comment. It's the fastest way to turn your crypto into something that works for you. All right. Let's wrap this up with a DeFi powerhouse. You know what's broken in DeFi? Incentives. Most decentralized exchanges reward insiders. Token treasuries leak value, and average users get crumbs. But Velodrome Finance is flipping the script, and the chart is finally catching up. On the weekly, Velo has just broken out from a descending trend line that's kept it underwater since Q1. It bottomed at 3 cents, reclaimed 6 cents, and now eyes 9 cents, 17 cents, and a golden target of 40 cents. Fibonacci RSI momentum is building. VRVP shows low resistance until 10 cents. And the most important signal? The MetaDex launch. Velodrome's MetaDex eliminates token sales, treasury control, and privilege-based compensation. It's participation-based. It's public good coded. It's DeFi restructured. The model flattens insider advantage by making everyone earn through the same protocol growth. No backdoor, no special wallets. That alignment is rare, and it's showing results. Velodrome is quietly dominating Optimism and the SuperChain liquidity. And if this volume continues, the chart suggests a fast sprint to 15 cents and beyond. This isn't just another farm token, it's DeFi with a spine. So what's the takeaway? APE just flipped bullish with new staking infrastructure and a clean breakout. Pyth is onboarding real institutions and reclaiming key chart levels. Velodrome is rewiring DeFi economics and pointing to serious upside. They each tell a different story, but all share one thing. They've broken trend and are building traction. The market's been starving for conviction. These three might just be it. Which one are you watching closest? Let me know in the comments, and don't just say all of them, even if it's true. If this video made you think differently about your altcoin strategy, destroy that like button, subscribe, and tap the bell for more. Every day, we dig deeper into charts, narratives, and real ways to win in DeFi. No hype, no fluff. And remember, if you're serious about turning crypto into income, don't sleep on the eBook. It's in the pinned comment and ready for you. See you tomorrow in the next one. Let's keep winning.